What is cloud computing? I have never heard about cloud computing. There are several computers in my place, but what is the cloud computing? What is the advantage of using cloud computing? What is the future of my computer? What is the future of cloud computing? Everything I will tell you in this video. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Cloud computing means the computing done in the cloud. Cloud does not mean the cloud in the sky. Cloud means the data stored in a particular remote location. In that location you can access the data anywhere in the world. So let me explain briefly. Right now you have a computer of your own. The data you store on the computer is only accessible in that computer. If at any condition you have to move to a different room, then you cannot access that data. But think of a situation, you have stored that data to somewhere else, then you have stored the data to cloud. Then if you move from this room to another room, if you move from this country to another country, you can easily access that data. It does not mean access that data. You can access, you can edit, you can change, you can create, anything you can do. So now the future of cloud computing is very bright, as many companies, in my company also we are using cloud computing method. So cloud computing method help us to work from home. Cloud computing method help manager to look what our employees are doing. Manager is traveling, but he can notice what employees are doing. The data are stored in the cloud. So now cloud, the really example of cloud are like the first example I will tell, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform. These are the cloud area from where you can store your data. Data may be from photo, data may be website, data may be application. So think of an example that you have downloaded a song, downloaded a video. So where that video is, the video is in the cloud. You downloaded the video in this room, you shift to another country, you can also download this. That means the data, the video is not focusing on a particular location. This is stored on the cloud. So cloud platform, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud and several other cloud platform are also there. So this is the solution of hosting your application. Many big companies are now shifting to cloud computing. The benefit of the cloud computing is that how much data you use, how much data you store, that much you pay. First one is data. Second one, how much visitor are coming to your website or application, how much bandwidth you are getting, that much you pay. Second point. The third point is that how much performance you need, that much you pay. Third point over. That means it is very easy to build, very customized to your requirement. Whether you have less bandwidth, less storage use, your pricing will vary, your pricing will be less. If it is more, the pricing will be more. So how much you use, that much you pay. It is cost effective, very flexible billing. So every companies are using cloud computing. So the conclusion is that the computing done on a cloud server, and the pricing is how much you use, that much you pay. If you want to make your career in software development field, you want to grow, you want to apply job in software development field, you want to know more information about software related information, latest technology trend, you can stay subscribed to my channel. Regularly videos are coming on this topic. Right now, hope this video is helpful for you. I'm signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.